If I did, let's advance the hours. Notice I'm not using getDisplayValue, which returns me a string. This gives me an int, and I can do arithmetic on it, like compare it to another int. And then I just update display. All that does here is change the string to stick a colon in there. That's all. And it uses the number display objects getDisplayValue methods, which appends leading zeros to numbers less than 10. Slide 28. GetValue to compare with math. Slide 29. GetDisplayValue to print out pretty strings. This should be the end of the ClockDisplay class, with the exception of the lab. When you need to split it into a 12-hour clock, there's only one method you need to change, and that's this one. And all you need to do is something like this. If it's 12 o'clock, if hours.getValue equals 12, well, that's noon. Otherwise, if hours.getValue, I'm just giving you pseudocode here, quick hints, equals 0, well, that's midnight. Otherwise, if the hours.getValue is less than 12, well, that's morning time. Otherwise, if the hours.getValue is greater than 12, or you can just say otherwise, you know it must be greater than 12, then it's PM. But for example, you know it's, in this case, if the hours is 12, that's noon. If the hours is 0, that's midnight. If the hours is less than 12, that's AM. Otherwise, it's not less than 12. It's not equal to 12. It must be more than 12. And we know it's PM, but what we want to do first is take away 12. For example, if it's 15 o'clock, take away 12 and you get 3 PM. This should help you with your lab, and this is the only method that needs to change. This last method in the code. Okay, that should be enough. I'm going to end this video segment and start one more video segment for the lesson 6, which is a cleanup of the other slides.